Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche Lover. As usual, we start a wristwatch check. So my wrist today is a Matte 1 Red. Okay, today I'm going to share with you a common item for Porsches, and today I have a Macan here as a sample. So as you can see, the headlights itself, it has a milky film over it, which I call it the cataract for the headlights. So this cataract actually causes the headlights to have less light output, which means that it's less bright at night. At the same time, you can see there's wear on the outer lens, so it means that also it's less bright at night. So moving on to my car, I'll show you what I've done to my car. Actually remove both headlights, refurbish them, clear up the inner lenses, the outer lenses, and even the projectors, which you see in the moment. So the projector you can see right now is actually crystal clear. So it means that more light will actually come out from it, and outer lens also is much clearer now, so it's much brighter at night. At the same time, the largest upgrade I've done for the car is actually replace the HID bulbs with LED bulbs, which is a plug and play solution, no fault codes. So it makes it much brighter at night and gives the car a more modern look. If you're interested, please let me know, and thank you.